Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore villa area in Legian Kuta Bali. If you want to know how the situation in this area during the pandemic corona, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. You see the weather today? It's very beautiful, isn't it? It's very blue sky. Okay guys, still during the pandemic corona, we will explore villa area in Legian Kuta Bali. So you can see in the right side, left side, there is a lot of villa around here. And I just want to show you how look like the situation at the moment in this area during the pandemic corona. Left side, right side, at the front, all the villa. And usually before the pandemic corona, in this area is not so many people walking around on the sidewalk, because this area is now for shopping area, only villa to stay. This area in between Dewi Sri Street and Nakula Street. And on this video, I will make video around 8 minutes without skip. I'm driving and I make video because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in this area during the pandemic corona. You see, left side, right side, there's the villa, but look very quiet. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is lots of people want to know the update situation in Bali during the pandemic corona. What do you think this area? It's very beautiful, isn't it? No shop, only villa. Actually in this area it's very beautiful to stay because more calm and more quiet. It's nice to do staycation in this area. And actually the tourism in Bali is already open since few days ago. So we hope together in near time soonly people will be getting busy again. You see left side? There is some car parking at the front of the villa. That's good. Villa, left side, still look quiet. So from here to the central of Kuta is around 5-minute driving by motorbike. Actually not so far. But you see, along the street is still quiet even in the Kuta area. Okay, back to the villa area. Left side, right side is villa, but so quiet. Before the pandemic corona, to stay in this area, I gonna say like quite expensive. But now, because the pandemic corona, all the prices going down. All the prices to stay in this villa is going down, and now getting cheaper and cheaper, because Bali is still very quiet. Is anyone been stay around here before? Yeah, if you ever been stay in this area, I think you will be really missing this area. So we hope together the border will be open very soonly, because we are really needed. I mean like, since the pandemic corona and not tourism from our country, our business just broke down. And also, even local people, there is not so many local people, I mean domestic, they come to Bali to make vacation. Because since 2 months ago, Bali like in lockdown. In Indonesia, we call PPKM. You see this area, it's look green, isn't it? Villa left side, villa right side, Also left side villa. Everywhere is villa here. But still very quiet. Oh, there is some car parking right side. I think there is some people stay in this villa. I'm really happy to see that. Okay guys, now we cross little bit Nakula Street to explore other side on the main street, the villa area. So let's take a journey on this area. So let's keep explore in this area. How the situation? Villa area in Kuta Bali. Oh, there is some car parking right side. You see the weather is very beautiful, isn't it? It's very blue sky, very blue sky. Actually, I'm gonna say like it's a really good time to go to the beach. But I will go to the beach after this video. You see right side, there's the villa and some people come there. I'm really happy to see that. It looks so green around here, isn't it? It's very beautiful. Left side and right side, there is the villa. I've ever get a customer from Singapore and they stay in this area. Left side, there's the hotels. Some people there. Lots of car, it's good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment, villa area in Legian Kuta Bali. And if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can hit the bell, because I will always update the new situation in Bali during the pandemic corona. See you in the next video. Bye bye.